Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HitFilm for VFX Compositing Basics, Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Visit the official HitFilm website. Locate the download or get started button on the homepage. Choose the version of HitFilm you wish to download. Select the appropriate download option for your operating system. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click the HitFilm installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install HitFilm on your computer. After installation, launch HitFilm from your Applications or Programs menu. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Look for the option to create a new account or register. Click on the Register button. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Provide any additional required information, such as your name. Read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Click the Submit button to complete your registration. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from HitFilm. Open the confirmation email and click the verification link provided. Return to the HitFilm application and log in using your newly created credentials. Familiarize yourself with the main interface and tools available in HitFilm. Start exploring VFX Compositing Basics using the tutorial resources provided. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.